say by how much 10 exceeds 7, it means that 10 is greater than 7, or, well, 10 is larger than 7. So we interpret this question by subtracting 10 minus 7, and so we get 3. Again, so when we say, by how much does 10 exceed 7, sinasabi natin mas malaki si 10, and so we subtract 10 minus 7, okay? So in our third problem, it states, by how much does the product of 1/2 and 2/3 exceed the product of 2/5 and 5/9? Now, before doing anything else, we get first the product of 1/2 and 2/3. So 1/2 times 2/3. Again, we multiply fractions by doing numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. And so 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 equals 6. So 2 over 6 is equal to 1/3. Okay, now the product of 2/5 and 5/9 is 2 times 5 over 5 times 9. Note that pwede nating makancel to kasi multiplication na yan. So this is equal to 2 over 9. So the original question, by how much does the product of 1/2 and 2/3 exceed the product of 2/5 and 1/9, we can restate it as, by how much does 1/3 exceed 2/9? Okay, so it's like, by how much does 1/3 exceed 2/9? And again, we answer this question by subtracting 2/9 from 1/3. Okay, now again, these two are dissimilar fractions, so we change them to similar fractions. So the LCD, the least common denominator of 3 and 9, is 9. So 1/3 is equal to 3/9. Again, how do we do that? 9 divided by 3 is 3, times 1 is 3. Okay, and then 2/9 is just 2/9. So since these two are similar fractions, 3/9 and 2/9 are similar, we just copy the denominator and then literally subtract the numerator. So that's 3 minus 2, and that will give us the answer 1/9. Meaning 1/9 na yung answer sa original problem. Kasi the product of 1/2 and 2/3 is 1/3. The product of 2/5 and 5/9 is 2/9, and 1/3 minus 2/9 is equal to 1/9.